Hi, myself Jatin and my roll number is 20CE10031 and I am from section 13. For my third DIY assignment, I am going to explain all the parts of CPU because it is a disassemble video of CPU. As you can see, I already opened all the screw. I opened it. Okay. The first thing you notice is all the parts of CPU is connected to a board called motherboard. It is the main circuit of CPU. You can see there are many wires called connectors. These connectors are connected to the motherboard here. Look at here. We can easily remove from here. Look at here. Here is a fan which is used in air circulation. Fan cools the circuit. Here you can see a memory module called IC or RAM. We can easily remove it like it. It called it in RAM. You can see here the hard disk where all the data are stored. I'm going to disassemble assembly. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video.